Country:
Somalia.
Continent:
Africa.
Population:
17 million.
Capital:
Mogadishu.
Currency:
Somali shilling.
Gross national income:
$21 billion.
Major religion:
Islam.
Official languages:
Somali, Arabic.
Minimum wage:
No minimum wage.
Dialing code:
Plus 252.
President:
Hassan Sheikh Mohammed.
Prime Minister:
Hamza Abdi Barry.
Famous people:
Chanks. Eamon Abdulmajid. Young Philly. Keenan. Mo Farah.
Richest person:
Abdirashid Douali.
National dish:
Bariasku curries.
Popular places:
Lasgio. Al-Mara Tower. The Tomb of the Unknown Soldier. Mogadishu Central Mosque. National Museum of Somalia.